Let's create our delicious seafood lava roll. Begin by spreading 4 ounces of sushi rice over a half sheet of nori. Then layer on sliced creamy avocado, fresh tuna, fresh salmon, and fresh yellowtail. Roll tightly and gently by hand. Now let's mix the topping for the roll by cutting 3 pieces of crab sticks into small pieces and shredding them, mixing well with chili oil, crunchy tempura flakes, spicy mayonnaise, spicy tuna, small diced jalapeno, and green onions. Carefully cut the roll into 6 pieces and arrange them on the plate before topping with crispy, crunchy, spicy crab and tuna blend. Drizzle with a cake of spicy mayonnaise and teriyaki sauce, followed by a sprinkle of crispy tempura flakes, masago, green onions, and sesame seeds. It's now ready to serve. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you very much for your support.